YouTube TV versus Hulu TV versus DirecTV Stream. In this 2025 comparison, we'll break down which live TV service is best for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First is features. YouTube TV offers 100 plus channels, unlimited DVR, and easy access to sports, news, and local stations. Hulu Live TV combines live channels with full access to Hulu originals, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus. DirecTV Stream brings additional cable-style package with premium channel options and regional sports coverage. Next is learning curve. YouTube TV has the cleanest interface, fast, simple, and cross-device compatible. Hulu's UI can feel cluttered due to its hybrid VOD live setup. DirecTV Stream mimics cable, which can be a plus for older users but less modern for others. When it comes to customization, YouTube TV and Hulu both allow profiles and parental controls. DirecTV is more rigid in layout and streaming limitations. Next is ideal audience. YouTube TV is great for families and sports fans. Hulu plus Live TV suits binge watchers who also want live TV. DirecTV Stream is ideal for users who want traditional cable feel and live sports coverages. For its value, YouTube TV costs around $72.99 a month, while Hulu and Live TV starts at $76.99 but includes 3 streaming services. DirecTV streams start at $7.99 with add-ons quickly raising to the price. So the verdict is, choose YouTube TV for flexibility and sports, pick Hulu plus Live TV for all-in-one streaming and live channels. Use DirecTV Stream if you miss that classic cable experience and regional sports matter to you. Now, you know which live TV service suits you best in 2025. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.